Hello YouTube, welcome to my Mario walkthroughs, part 1 of my Luigi walkthrough. And as you can see, to beat Luigi, you need to press L and R and A at the same time. And I'm going to show you how to do World 1-1. I don't want to get started. You know, I know I need a better camera, but it's kind of fine. And I just lost it. Okay. Now I'm not actually getting that. It's kind of waste. And you know what I mean by that kind of waste. And so, there's a secret red coin up here, and I hope you enjoy this video. So have fun. I'll just do this though because my battery's red. Okay, so I better hurry. As you can see, that's my dirt circle because I'm missing one right here. So let's hurry on to the finish. Okay, I finished. So I hope you rate, comment, subscribe, and expect more. Later.